Shaggy D sample niya. 5, 6, 7, go!
Ah, may hinga!
Yung hinga nila yung ha! 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 Ganun nila. Pero opo, may ilalabas po kami na bagong single, Shaggy D on June 5! Wow, malapit na po yan. Actually, bukas na kung nasa Pilipinas
Yes,
tayo.
Philippine time.
Yes, Philippine time. Bukas na, mapapakinggan na natin yan. And abangan niyo po, abangan niyo itong bagong song na to kasi new for Beanie na naman itong song na to.
Yes, and as you can see sa likod namin, sobrang ganda ng artwork na
Kasi, sino ba gumawa niyan?
Ito.
Parang ito nakatalikod yata yung gumawa nitong My Heart and Dead.
It's Ate Maloy!
Anong inspiration mo dyan, Ate
Girl
Maloy?
with a big heart. Wow. Of course, my inspiration is Filipino culture. Okay, as you can see, makita nyo this, the jeepney, and this is the sampaguita, and this is the, ano ba tawag dito, mga houses sa Philippines, and of course, my bricks. Actually, fusion siya ng tropical and street, the streets. And,
Or this is you call this yung street art?
yeah, oo, parang
Graffiti.
And actually, first time ko gumawa ng ganitong style, ng graffiti style, so nahirapan ako. Feeling ko graphic artist ako that time kasi may deadlines ako. Tapos ang daming revisions, grabe, pero ayan, nandito na siya. It came to life and nakikita ko na siya. So thank you, Blooms, for appreciating it.
It's so nice. I love it.
Ganda. Pero syempre, hindi naman kami papayag na may picture kami sa ibang city. Kayo,